Jai Shri Gurudev. Today we are going to explain the exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2 inverse trigonometry functionalities. Okay, inverse trigonometry functions. Okay, exercise 2.2. First question. Okay, prove that 3 sin inverse x is equals to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cubed and x lies between minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 close interval. Okay na? So this is the condition. I have to prove that. This is the problem I have to prove. Okay. If you observe this one, RHS is more. No, that's why I have to consider RHS. RHS is equals to sin inverse of 3x divided by 4x cubed. Okay. So we have to consider RHS and you have to prove LHS. LHS, what is LHS? 3 sin inverse x is there. So sin related is there. No, that's why I have to consider the sin related. So x is equals to, let us consider in the case of x is equals to sin theta, otherwise sin alpha, otherwise sin beta. You can take any sin related. Okay, x is equals to sin theta. So according to the inverse trigonometric sin inverse trigonometric functionality, theta is equals to what? Theta is equals to sin inverse x. Theta is equals to what? Sin inverse x. So this is the consideration. Okay na? Now let us substitute x is equals to sin theta here. Okay, we'll substitute madam. See, so sin inverse of okay 3 into x sin theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 x cubed sin cubed theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cubed theta. Okay na? So this one. And one formula is there in first PUC. First formula is there. What is the formula means? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cubed theta is equals to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cubed theta is equals to sin 3 theta. This is the formula you have already learnt in first PUC trigonometry. Okay, so 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cubed theta is what? Sin 3 theta. You have to learn this formula well. Okay, sin 3 theta. Substitute this formula here. Okay, sin inverse of sin 3 theta. Sin cancel 3 theta. Sin inverse of sin 3 theta is nothing but what? 3 theta. Okay, so 3 theta. What is the theta here? Theta is equals to sin inverse x. Therefore 3 into sin inverse x is nothing but what? LHS. Okay na? So therefore LHS. So therefore it is proved. Hence proved. Okay na? This is one of the important question. Very easy also. Okay. Why? Because let us take RHS and prove LHS. Observe the LHS. LHS is in terms of sin inverse. That's why I have to consider sin. Like that, you have to think. Don't by heart the concepts. Okay. So think in a proper way, in a technical way. You have to think. Okay. Then you have to write. Okay. Now next we will see same related problem, cause related C. Next second problem. Okay. Now. So we have to prove that 3 cos inverse x is equals to cos inverse of 4x cubed minus 3x. X belongs to 1 by 2 comma 1 close interval. Okay na? So how to prove this one? Same procedure you have to follow. Same procedure. Okay. What is the procedure? RHS is more. That's why you have to take RHS. Okay na? So RHS is equals to right hand side. RHS is equals to cos inverse of 4x cubed minus 3x. Cos inverse of 4x cubed minus 3x. Okay na? So therefore cos inverse of we have to think what to substitute. X is equals to what? Substitution. Okay. For that, right, we have to observe, have consider RHS now, have to prove LHS. You have to observe the LHS. What is LHS? What is there? 3 cos inverse x is there now. That's why we have to consider cos. Cos related we have to consider. X is equals to cos related. So therefore, x is equals to what? X is equals to cos theta. Like that you have to consider. Okay. So x is equals to cos theta. According to the inverse trigonometric function cos inverse x. So theta is equals to what? Cos inverse x. Theta is equals to cos inverse x. You have to. So we should now substitute cos theta in place of x here. Okay. Substitute. So for x cubed cos cubed theta minus 3 cos theta 4 cos cubed theta minus 3 cos theta. Okay na? Let us think what is the formula, sir? This is already discussed in first PUC now. 4 cos cubed theta minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cubed theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to what? Cos 3 theta. This is the formula. This one cos 3 theta. Before one sin 3 theta. This is cos 3 theta. Okay na? Substitute this formula here. Cos 3 theta substitute here. So therefore cos inverse of cos 3 theta. Cos inverse of cos 3 theta. Cos inverse cancel 3 theta. So what is the theta? Theta is equals to what? Cos inverse x. So 3 into cos inverse x. 3 cos inverse x. 3 into cos inverse x. Okay na? So this, what is this? This is LHS. Like that you have to prove the problem. These two problems are very important question for the main examination. Okay. So therefore RHS taken and LHS proven. So you have to think substitution is very important. If you know substitution well, means 50% problem will be over. Okay na? Substitution, how to memorize the substitution well means if you consider RHS means LHS you have to see once. Okay, that is related, cos related is there. That's why you have to consider cos theta. Okay, if sin related is there, sin theta. Like that you have to think. Okay na? If you think like this means this is very easy, dead easy problems. Okay, you can easily score 2 to 3 marks. Okay, this type of problems sure they will ask one in main examination. Okay, we'll see next problem also. Next question number 3. Okay, so have to work very important model. This type of model is very important. You have to prove that tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24. Tan inverse of 7 by 24 is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Tan inverse of 1 by 2. Okay. Let us consider LHS and I have to prove the RHS. Okay na? So LHS to go to RHS prove. So how to prove this? See. So tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24. Okay. Which formula it is? Actually tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So this is the formula I have to use. Okay, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay na? So I have to use, this is x is 2 by 11 and y is what? 7 by 20. Apply this formula here. Okay. So tan inverse of okay 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 over divided by 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. 7 by 24. Okay na? Like that you have to think. Okay. Next tan inverse of let us simplify this thing. Okay, 24 into 11. Some students are doing mistakes. Take calculators. Okay, so 11 24 into 11, 24 into 11 easy technique I will tell Vedic mathematics. 24 into 11, okay, into 11 means 2 4 add these two things 6 264. If you take any number, we multiply with 11 2 digits, you have to do like this. 24 2 4 middle madhya ಒಳಗೆ add these two things like that. 25 into 11 2 right or 5 last right, okay. In middle you have to add both 275 like that, add to right, okay na. 264 answer is what? 264 answer is 264. What is LCM? 264, okay. And 24 into 2 48 plus 77 over 11 and 24 264 minus 2 into 7 what? 14, okay na, like that you have to write, okay na. Next see 264 cancel, okay na. 48 plus 77 125, 48 plus 77 125, 264 minus 14 250, okay na. So 125 anja 125 2s are, so therefore what? Tan inverse of 1 by 2, okay na, tan inverse of 1 by 2. So RHS is equal to RHS. Very easy problem. This type of problems are very important. Tan inverse of 2 by 11 times tan inverse of 7 by 2 is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2, okay na. Tan inverse of 1 by 2, like that we have to simplify. This is one of the important question. We will see next question also. See next problem. This is related. Example 4. Example 3 already done. Example 4. This is related to tan. That's why I am doing in this way. Okay. So example 4. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 2 by 11 is equal to, we have to do that, tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay. Same procedure, same formula I have to follow. What is that formula? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay na. So I have to follow this formula. Here what is x? 1 by 2 and what is y? 2 by 11. Okay. So let us take LHS. LHS is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11. Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 2 by 11. Okay, this is it, this is right. So according to that formula, what is the formula? Tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 divided by 1 by 2 plus 2 by 11 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. 1 by 2 into 2 by 11. Okay na? Don't cancel 2 like that. Okay? See. Tan inverse of what is LCM? 2 into 11 22. 11 into 1 11 plus 2 into 2 4 divided by 22. Okay, 22 here, 22 minus 2. 22 cancel. 22 cancel. 11 plus 4 is what? 15. So therefore tan inverse of 25 15 11 plus 4 15 divided by 20. 22 minus 2 20 divided by 20. Okay na. So therefore tan inverse of 5 3 is 5 4. So this is nothing but tan inverse of 3 by 4. Tan inverse of 3 by 4. So RHS. Okay na. Tan inverse of 3 by 4. Tan inverse of 3 by 4 is nothing but RHS. Okay, like that we have to prove. Okay na. So my dear students, if you like this video well means please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.